Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Ashi Talks. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So guys, in today's video we are gonna talk about off-campus job opportunity provided by Publicis Sapiens. So here you can see on the screen Publicis Sapiens SDE off-campus hiring. So this job role opportunity is for software developer engineer, as you can see on the screen, and this job opportunity is for engineers who are graduating in 2021. So here you can see 2021 graduates can apply for this job opportunity. We will see in details what is the eligibility criteria, how you can fill the form and apply for this job role. Everything we will gonna see in this video, so watch till the end. So here you can see on the screen degree eligibility criteria is mentioned. So if you are pursuing BE BTech, you can apply for this, and if you are 2021 pass out, you can surely apply for this. And also, if you are doing BE MTech dual degree or BE MSc dual degree, you can apply for this. You are eligible for this. And here you can see also the streams required. If you are from computer science stream, information technology stream, mathematics and computing stream, software engineering stream, electronics and communication, electronics and electrical communication and communication. So if you are from below these streams, you can apply for this job role. This is an amazing job role for everyone, and also the package provided by Publicis Sapient is from between 6 to 7 lakh for freshers. So this is an amazing opportunity. You can see, and here you can see CGPA must be 6.5 and above with no active backlogs. So there should be no backlogs for you, and your CGPA must be above than 6.5, not below than 6.5. Here you have to see. Here you can see there is a form below. You have to fill this form. So here you can see date of applying. You have to fill in from which date you are applying, and your full name, phone number, email address, what is your current location, your gender, your graduation college. So from this list you have to select your college. In this list, if your college is not available, you cannot apply for this job role. So your graduation degree, you have to select your graduation degree. Your BTech dual degree, BTech with MS, which graduation degree you are pursuing, and more details you have to select which graduation stream of education you are from, and current CGPA. What is your current CGPA? You have to not mention percentage. You have to mention your CGPA out of 10. And what is your graduation year? This job role is only for 2021 graduate, as you can see on the screen. So you have to fill your graduation year. And are you interested for applying for SD opportunity? So if you are interested in applying for SD software developer engineer opportunity, you have to select yes or no. Do you hold any offer for full-time employment? So if there is any other offer for full-time employment from any other company, you have to select yes or no, and you have to submit the response. So here you can fill the form, and you have seen all the eligibility criteria that have mentioned for this job role. So you can apply for this if you are eligible. So thank you.